freeintromusic.com layout track.
Hello, what's up guys, my name is Akash and you're watching Akash Learning. Today I'm going to show you a new video. In this video I will show you that how you can get the premium membership of Hotstar in free. If you're not subscribed my channel, then subscribe it and press the bell icon. So not wasting any time, let's get start the video. At first you have to go at your Google Chrome browser and you have to type Hotstar premium.tk and press on done button. Then you can see this type of interface. You have to go down and you have to tap on the generate button. Wait for some time. Sorry. Then you have to tap on the get password button and press OK. You have to tap on the verify. Go down and press and tick that I am not a robot. Press on continue. Go down and you have to wait for 5 seconds for. Then you have to tap on the get link button and you have to press the back. You have to go back. Then you have to go back. You can see the email address and password. You have to copy the email address at first and go at your Hotstar. Tap on the three dot line and tap on the login to Hotstar. I have a Facebook/email account and paste that email account and press on continue. Then again copy the password button and paste this in your Hotstar account and press on done. Then you can see that wait then you can see that your premium membership has done. You can see that Orpita Dash something, and you can see any type of premium movies or games. So thank you guys. If you like this video, then like it, comment it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.